Hello everyone! Our topic today is all about properties of integers. And this topic can be found in pages 7 to 10 of your textbook. These are the words to learn. Kindly repeat after me. Commutative, associative, distributive, identity, property. Kindly repeat the 5 words. Very good. The first property is the commutative property of addition. It states that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Supposing we have a plus b, it is equal to b plus a. So the order of your a and b does not change the sum. Now let us have the commutative property of multiplication. It states that changing the order of the factors does not change the product. Supposing we have a times b, it is equal to b times a. So the order of a and b does not affect the product. Now let us have examples for commutative property. Take note that if we are talking of commutative, your keyword is order. Let us have example number 1. Supposing we have 12 plus 8. It is equal to 8 plus 12. What is 12 plus 8? Very good. It is equal to 20. How about 8 plus 12? Very good. It is equal to 20. So they have the same answer. For example number 2, supposing we have 14 times 10 is equal to? Correct. It is equal to 10 times 14. What is 14 times 10? Very good. It is equal to 140. And how about 10 times 14? Very good. It is equal to 140. So whatever the order of the addends, it does not affect the sum. That is commutative property. Now let us have the next property, which is the associative property of addition. Let us read all together. It states that changing the grouping of the addends does not change the sum. So our keyword for associative property is grouping. So supposing we have a plus b plus c, it is equal to a plus b plus c. So whether we regroup the addends a, b, c, it does not change the sum at all. Let us have the next one, which is the associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication states that changing the grouping of the factors does not change the product. Supposing we have a times b times c, it is equal to a times b times c. So whether we regroup a, b, or c, we will be having the same product. So let us have some examples for associative property. Take note that for associative, the keyword is grouping. Supposing we have 20 plus 50 plus 10. It would be equal to 20 plus 50 plus 10. What is 20 plus 50? Very good. It is equal to 70. So we have 70 plus 10. How about in the other side? 50 plus 10 is equal to what? Correct. It is equal to 60. So we have 20 plus 60. Adding up 70 plus 10, it is equal to what? Correct. It is equal to 80. And what is 20 plus 60? Correct. It is equal to 80. So therefore, we arrive at the same answer. Now let us have another example for associative property. Supposing we have 8 times 3 times 2. It is equal to 8 times 3 times 2. What is 8 times 3? Very good. It is equal to 24. So in this side, we have 24 times 2. On the other side, we have 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? Correct. So we have 8 times 6. 24 times 2 is equal to what? Correct. It is equal to 48. And how about 8 times 6? Correct. It is equal to 48. So using the associative property, we arrive at the same product. Now let us have another property, which is the distributive property. Distributive property states that multiplication of integers can be distributed over addition. Supposing we have a times b plus c. In here, we are going to distribute a to b and c, meaning we are going to multiply a times b plus a times c. That is distributive property. Now let us have examples for distributive property. Supposing we have 2 times 6 plus 4. So we are going to distribute 2 to 6 and 4, which is equal to 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4. What is 2 times 6? Very good. It is equal to 12. How about 2 times 4? Correct. It is equal to 8. So therefore, adding up 12 plus 8, it is equal to what? Correct. It is equal to 20. Let us check whether our answer is correct. So let us use the short method. So let us add 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So we have 2 times 20, and 2 times 20 is equal to what? It is equal to 20. So using the distributive property, we arrive at the same answer. Now let us have another example under distributive property. Supposing we have 7 times 8 plus 9, it is equal to 7 times 8 plus 7 times 9. What is 7 times 8? Correct. It is equal to 56. And what is 7 times 9? Correct. It is equal to 63. What is 56 plus 63? Very good. It is 119. So those are the examples under distributive property. Now let us have the last property, which is the identity property. Take note that 0 is the identity element of addition. Supposing we have a plus 0, it is equal to what? Correct. It is equal to a. So take note that whatever number added to 0, it is equal to itself. How about this one? Negative 8 plus 0. Very good. It is equal to negative 8. So 0 is the identity element of addition. Now let us have another one. What is the identity element for multiplication? Yes, it is 1. So 1 is the identity element of multiplication. So supposing we have a times 1, it is equal to what? Correct, it is equal to a. And what is negative 8 times 1? Correct, it is equal to negative 8. So therefore, 1 is the identity element of multiplication because any number multiplied to 1, it is equal to itself. Now let us have a short quiz. I will give you 5 seconds to answer this one. So here is the question. What property is applied in 3 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 3? Timer starts now. You are absolutely right. The answer is commutative property of addition. Let us have another one. So in here, I will give you also 5 seconds to answer. What is k in 12 times 4 is equal to k times 12? Timer starts now. That's right. K is equal to 4. So that's the end of our lesson. Hope you learned something today. And thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!